Hey guys, so here I have two Rivals of Ixalan Planeswalker decks. Vraska, Scheming Gorgon, and Angrath, Minotaur Pirate. So here's the front of both boxes. Here's the side, here's the back. Lead your vampires of Ixalan to victory. And for Angrath, it's raid and pillage the opponent's forces with pirates. The other side, the top, and the bottom. Okay, so I've cut the bottom of the boxes because I like to open them this way so that I can store them on the shelf with the top looking nice and clean. Whoa, so the cards have some major hollow bending. Here we have the two boxes. The two deck boxes. By the way, these boxes can hold all the cards sleeved very nicely. Inside we get the actual deck and two Rivals of Ixalan boosters. We also have rules on how to play and a quick reference. So same thing, the deck, two boosters, and the rules and reference. So they both have the same quick reference guide. They both have the same reference guide here. This is Vraska's book. So here it's advertising Ixalan, Rivals of Ixalan, the Deck Builder's Toolkit, and Magic League game events. And on the other side here, we have some tips about using the deck. Here's a little paragraph about Vraska, and we have the card mechanics. Death, Touch, and Flying found in her deck. And for Angrath, it's the same back side of the sheet. And in the front, same deal. Some description about his deck, a description about him, and First Strike and Menace card mechanics found in his deck. Okay, so let's go through these decks here. So for Vraska, we have a nice white and black Life and Death vampire deck. For Angrath, we have another black, but black and red deck. A lot of pirates, direct damage, and death. So that was me showing off all the cards from both decks. Now I'll go through the boosters and see what extra bonus cards we got. So the first booster from Vraska's. And for the rare, Path of Discovery. Whenever a creature enters the battlefield, it explores. Ooh, nice. And a Hollow Soul of the Rapids. Ooh, and I got the Rekindling Phoenix Elemental token. Now for the second booster, by the way, you can get some pretty good stuff from the boosters from these Planeswalker decks. During Amonkhet or Hour of Devastation, one of those two, I end up pulling a Nicol Bolas. Champion of Dusk. I believe Yep. It's another rare that comes with the deck. So not that big of a deal. His ability is pretty good though. You draw cards and gain life for every vampire you have on the battlefield. Lead the pack. So that's the 2 rares I got from the Vraska set. Now let's check out the first booster from Angrath. And for the rare, Brass Bounty. For each land you control, create a treasure artifact token. Not bad. MTG Arena ad. That is an expensive cost for 7 mana though. Woo! For the second booster pack. And for the rare, Blood Sun. Ooh, a holo. When Blood Sun enters the battlefield, draw a card. And all lands lose abilities. Ooh, and a second rare. Ooh, this one's good. So when enchanted creature dies, you actually return it to your battlefield, and then you transform this card into a legendary land. Add 1 mana of any color, and return target creature from your graveyard to the battlefield. Double prizes! So I got a rare holo and a normal regular rare. Nothing spectacular, but still pretty good. And there you have it. The unboxing of Vraska and Angrath from Rivals of Ixalan's Planeswalker decks. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you could see everything nice and clear in 4K. And if you want, check out any other video I have on my channel. And thanks for watching. Like if you like and subscribe. Thanks.